Now, this is Mawethu's face after Qhawe told him that she's breaking up with him and that she wants nothing to do with him anymore. But even after those hurtful words, the question still stands. Did Qhawe really mean all of that, or she only uttered those words because she is still hurt by the truth that she recently found out? Let us talk about that and more here on this video. But before going to it, I would like to request you guys to like the video, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I think that Qhawe and Mawethu make a beautiful couple, and I really don't want them to break up. Also, it's surprising that when Zola explained everything to Qhawe and apologized, Qhawe was willing to listen. So now that it's Mawethu who is apologizing and trying to explain, Qhawe wants nothing to do with him. Also, Qhawe forgiving Zola, why she does not forgive Mawethu would be so unfair. But then again, I don't think this breakup is going to last long. I think Abantu Bama are still going to get back together, fix everything, and even get married. Another factor here is Mawethu loves Qhawe. Yes, he's not a perfect guy. He made a mistake and he was forced to keep that secret and not tell Qhawe about him and Zola. But now, did he have a choice? No, of course he didn't. Qhawe as well. Qhawe knows very well that my guy loves her. So imagine dumping a guy who loves you only because he made just one stupid mistake. Okay, but no, a girl can dump you for making just one mistake. And then when the one mistake, low mistake. But guys, asikho lapho ngazengishare my personal experiences wamnani. My question here is, do you think that Qhawe took a right decision by breaking up with Mawethu? So guys, comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.